Hello, welcome to Macanta. So this overview video will be just that. It'll just give you a quick walkthrough of the interface. There is obviously a library of videos available that goes into the detail of each of the sections and functionalities, but this will just give you a quick overview of what a configured Macanta app might look like. So when you first log in, you'll be presented with a dashboard displaying the different widgets for the data that you've set up Macanta queries. From this screen, you have the ability to load this information. So I can go and load the data and then work with that as I need to. I can send SMS or email. I can add new widgets. I've got access to my notification center, and I have the ability to add new contacts and also search for both contacts and data objects, and also do advanced search where I can get into some pretty granular details that I want to look at, but more on that later. Moving down on the left hand side, you then have your workflow board or boards depending on what you've set up. So here we've got a couple of samples, and these are drag and drop Kanban style boards where you can view data and edit data as well. So if we go back to this one, and we try and keep this menu structure the same throughout the app. So you've got your three dots that gives you access to these additional elements. You can then also view the objects, the data that way. You can preview a contact and access and edit the contact without leaving the workflow board. And then if you need to, you can actually load that contact and then see all the contact information there, and again with the same functionality as we had in the menus for the workflow board, and the different data object types that's been configured in the app, again with the ability to view that information as required, and also the additional menu items. I can view my custom tabs here where we embed information from outside Macanta into the app, and I've got my notes and task history here. You've also got access to your own profile, your own record on the left hand side by just clicking on that, and then you've got the full access there. You also have user settings for both admin and non-admin users, where you have different details like signature or two-way email sync or the email blast progress that you can see. There's the built-in help center where you can find this video and more. And then if you are an admin user, you'll have access to the admin section where you can go in, set up app details, query builder, check on blast progress, add your logo, your colors, custom tabs. This is the area where you'll be spending time if you are configuring the account for your team and for people to use. So this is only available to admin users from the admin setting. So yeah, lots of detail to get into, but that will be covered in other videos. This is really just an overview video to give you an idea of what kind of things you can expect from a configured Macanta app.